Hey, Rambler families, this is Mr. Mead. I'm just going to show you really quick how to use SeeSaw. I did get a couple of questions, some feedback today, so hopefully this will make things easier. When you get here, if you're on, I'm on an iMac, it'll be a little bit different on the iPads, but just adapt accordingly. You guys are going to hit right here, sign in with Google, okay? I unfortunately am not going to do that because I'm using a fake student. His name is James Kirk. So you all sign in with Google. I'm just doing this because he's fake. Okay, I'm going to sign in. And we're going to ignore that. Okay, so here we are. The first thing that you want to check is up here in the right-hand corner where it says James Kirk. You want to make sure that you're not in Mr. Mead's virtual PE class, okay? That's actually Mrs. Saluter's class. You click Mr. Mead's virtual class right here. Haha, it now says Mr. Mead's virtual class, and I click on activities. You will see there is one activity. It is personal narratives. So this right here is our assignment. And you can click on the little slideshow here, but what you're actually going to want to do is to click add a response, the green button, okay? This will pull up not only the slideshow, but also all these cool tools that you can use. These are actually easier to use with an iPad because you can use your finger on the screen. But down here, I've got pencils, I've got markers, I've got eraser, I've got a text box. This makes a microphone. If you want to record a comment and say hello to me, you can. If you want to take a picture or a video, you can use these tools right here. There it is. I can take a video of myself. Taking a video of myself, making a video. Interesting. Okay, so that shows you what the different tools are. And then over here, these are the 5 different slides. So each slide has got, typically a video, some instruction from me. You can watch this.
Hey, Rambler students, it is me, Mr. Mead, and I'm here this morning.
There we go. So you're done watching the video. It says circle the events that would be a good personal narrative. So if I think, oh yeah, the amazing Christmas present, I can just grab my marker and circle that one. Haha. There might be others too. I don't want to give away all of the answers. So when I'm done with this slide, I go over here, go to the next slide, or I can use the little arrow right here. Oh, I'm showing the answers. And I can go to the next slide. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped one. Here's a video from a lady in Atlanta, which was actually quite good. And then here's another one with me where you can actually take this and it asks you to come up with 4 ideas. So I can click on, oh, I'm sorry. Not that, that's not what I meant to do. I can click on this and then I can delete and put my first idea. Maybe my idea for personal narrative is the pet snake. That would be my first example. You can do that. You can type in, replace what I've got and put other things. Maybe my next. The new bike would be another example. And when you're finished with all of those slides, you go to the last slide. It asks you to go ahead and actually write your story. So what you can do is actually highlight the text here and you can delete it and start your own story here. When you're all finished with the entire assignment, you can actually click up here on the green check mark, and that means you're done. Don't do that until you've finished everything, and then all of it gets saved and sent to me for feedback. This should be a fun platform. We're using it with kids in the building, but this is the first time I've tried to use it virtually. So I'd welcome your feedback. Make sure you call me either on the phone, FaceTime, text message me if you're having trouble, and we'll get that figured out. Thanks so much, Ramblers. We'll look forward to sharing this. And also, I'm excited that later this week, on Friday, I'm looking to do a Zoom meeting with anybody who would like to share their story or who would like to hear other kids read their stories. It's optional, but I'd love to see you there. Thanks. We'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.